this. So y log of x plus y is equals to x. Take y common, 1 plus log of x upon x. So we get y as x upon 1 plus log of x. Now differentiate it with respect to x. So what we get? dy upon dx, u upon v rule here, v square, u dash v, derivative of x, minus v dash, derivative of 1, derivative of log of x, into u. So we get 1 plus log of x minus x upon x is 1, 1 plus log of x whole square. So we get log of x upon 1 plus log of x whole square. This is what we want to prove. Note it down. Next is, if x power y plus y power x is equals to 2, find dy upon dx. Let this function as u and this as v. Differentiate with respect to x. Du by dx plus dv by dx, derivative of 2 is 0. Now u is x power y, v is y power x. Variable power variable, so taking log on both sides. Log of u, y log of x. Log of v, x log of y. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log of u. First function, derivative of log of x. Second function, derivative of y. Log of v, 1 upon v, dv by dx. X, derivative of log of y, 1 upon y. Derivative of y, dy upon dx, plus log y as it is, derivative of x is 1. From here we get du by dx as value of u, y upon x, plus log x, dy upon dx. dv upon dx, v is y power x power y, x upon y, plus log of y. Now from here du upon dx is equals to minus dv upon dx. So we can write du by dx as y into x power 1 in the denominator. So x power y minus 1 plus x power y log of x dy by dx, because we want the value of dy by dx, x into y power x minus 1 dy by dx plus y power x log of y. अब हमें नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करना है, dy अपॉन dx वाली टर्म्स को एक साइड लेके जाना है. एक्स वाई लॉग ऑफ एक्स माइनस एक्स वाई एक्स माइनस 1 dy अपॉन dx y पावर x log of y minus y power y into x power y minus 1. From here we can find the value of dy upon dx as y power x log of y minus y into x power y minus 1 upon x power y log of x minus x into y power x minus 1. Note it down. Here we have negative sign. So minus, minus. When this term goes here, so positive sign. Here this is negative. So we will have to take negative common here. So plus, plus here. next one is if x power y is equals to y power x, find dy upon dx. Taking log on both sides, so what we get, y log of x is equals to x log of y. Now differentiate with respect to x. First, derivative of log x, 1 upon x plus log x as it is, derivative of y, x, derivative of log of y plus log of y as it is, derivative of x. So log of x minus x upon y dy upon dx is equals to log of y minus y upon x. Now in the next step, we get y log of x minus x upon y dy upon dx is equals to x log of y minus y. So dy upon dx is y x log of y minus y upon x y of log of x minus x. Next is if cos of x power y is equals to sine of y power x, find dy upon dx. Again variable power variable is here, so taking log on both sides, y log of cos of x, x log of sine of y. Now differentiate with respect to x, u into v rule apply करेंगे, u and v. First function, derivative of log is 1 upon x, here is cos of x, then derivative of cos of x, plus second function as it is, derivative of y. First function as it is, derivative of log is 1 upon sine y, then derivative of sine y plus log of sine y, derivative of x is 1. So what we get, derivative of cos is minus sine, sine upon cos, tan, minus tan x into y plus log of cos of x dy upon dx. X derivative of sine is cos, cos upon sine is cot y, but here we have y, so derivative of y dy upon dx, log of sine y. Now dy upon dx वाली टर्म्स को एक साइड पे करेंगे, log of cos of x minus x cot of y dy by dx is equals to log of sine y plus y into tan of x. So we get the value of dy upon dx as log of sine y plus y into tan of x upon log of cos of x minus x into cot of y. Note it down. Next one is, if y is equals to a power x plus e power x plus x power x plus x power a, find dy upon dx at x is equals to a. x power x को अगर हम u मान ले, हमने सॉल्व किया है by taking log on both sides. So what we get? Log of u x log of x. Differentiate with respect to x. So what we get? 1 upon u du by dx. First function derivative of log of x plus second function derivative of x. X is u is x power x 1 plus log of x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Derivative of a power x log of a, derivative of ex, इसका हमने सॉल्व कर लिया, x पावर x 1 plus log of x, x power n x power n minus 1. So this is the dy upon dx. But we want to find dy upon dx at x is equals to a. Instead of x, put a power a log of a e power a power a 1 plus log of a plus a, x is a power a minus 1. So what we get? A power a log a 2 times हो गया, 2 times a power a log of a e power a plus a power a minus 1 plus 1 a power a. This is also 2 times. So ea plus 2 into a power a plus a power a log of a. Take a power a common, e power a plus 2 times a power a 1 plus log of a. Now the next one. If y is equals to square root of 1 minus x square 2x minus 3 power 1 by 2 x square plus 2 power 2 by 3, find dy upon dx. Now here the two terms are in product and one is in the denominator but has power, so taking log on both sides, so on the right hand side let one term as a, b and c. Log a upon b क्या होता है हमारे पास? Log a minus log b. Now when log of a into b, log of a plus log of b and minus log of c is here. Clear? Now taking log of y, log of a term is this, log of 1 minus x square power 1 by 2 plus log of b power 1 by 2 minus log of c. यही होगा. Now log of x power m log of x 1 by 2 log of 1 minus x square 1 by 2 log of 2x minus 3 2 by 3 log of x square plus 2. Now differentiate with respect to x. So log of y 1 upon y dy upon dx. Derivative of log is 1 upon 1 minus x square. Now derivative of this term 1 is 0, x square is 2x. Derivative of this is 2x minus 3. Derivative of 2x, derivative of 3. Derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Derivative of x square 2x, 2 is constant, so 0. So what we get? dy upon dx is equals to y into 2 will get cancelled, minus x upon 1 minus x square, 2 will get cancelled, 1 upon 2x minus 3 minus 2 into 2 4x upon 3 x square plus 2. Now we can put the value of y here. answer. Y is 1 minus x square 2x minus 3 power 1 by 2 x square plus 2 power 2 by 3 into minus x upon 1 minus x square 1 upon 2x minus 3 minus 4x upon 3x square plus 2. So this is the value of dy upon dx. Note it down. Now the next one, if y is equals to, find the derivative of root of x plus 4 power 3 by 2, 4x minus 3 power 4 by 3. Differentiate this term with respect to x. जैसे हमने पिछले क्वेश्चन में किया था, log of a plus log of b minus log of c. By taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, log of y, so what we get, log of x power 1 by 2, log of x plus 4 power 3 by 2 minus log of 4x minus 3 power 4 by 3. So what we get, 1 by 2 log of x, 3 by 2 log of x plus 4 minus 4 by 3 log of 4x minus 3. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log of y, 1 upon y dy upon dx, 1 by 2. Derivative of log of x, 1 upon x. Derivative of log of this, derivative of x is 1, 4 is 0. Log of this is 1 upon 4x minus 3. Derivative of 4x is 4 and 3 is 0. So we get dy upon dx, y, put the value of y here, x plus 4x minus 3, 4 by 3, 1 upon 2x plus 3 upon 2 x plus 4 minus 16 upon 3 4x minus 3. So this is the value of dy upon dx. Next one is, if x power m into y power n is equals to x plus y m plus n, prove that dy upon dx is equals to y upon x. Now taking log on both sides, log of a into b, log of a plus log of b, and this is m plus n log of x plus y. We can write it as m log x and this as n log y. Now differentiate with respect to x. M derivative of log of x and derivative of log of y, m plus n derivative of log of x plus y, then derivative of x is 1, y is dy upon d of x. Clear up to here? Now here we get m plus n upon x plus y plus m plus n upon x plus y dy by dx, m upon x plus n upon y dy upon dx. Now take terms of dy by dx on one side, n upon y minus m plus n upon x plus y dy by dx, m plus n upon x plus y minus m upon x. Take the LCM, mx plus nx minus m, nx plus ny minus my minus ny. Here m into x, m into y. upon y into x plus y dy by dx. X plus y we get cancelled, and from here ny we get cancelled, we get nx minus my upon y dy by dx. From here mx will get cancelled, nx minus my upon x. This term will get cancelled from both sides. So we get dy upon dx as y upon x. Now the next one. Next question is, if y is equals to ax square upon x minus